5 interior design tips. Paint small rooms in soft, light colours. Light coloured walls reflect the natural light pouring in from the doors and the windows. Use decorative mirrors to add light. Mirrors are great for making a small space feel larger. For a room with less natural light, placing mirrors directly across from the windows adds instant brightness. 3. Mix patterns and textures. Old and new, expensive and inexpensive. Don't be afraid to mix it up. The key goal for decorating your home is to create a design that reflects who you are, your personality and your style. 4. Add wicker baskets for extra storage. Wicker baskets or baskets made from any material are an economical and elegant way to add storage to any room. 5. Use what you have to decorate on a budget. Arrange candles with greenery on countertops and coffee tables, or hang your favourite plates to create custom wall art.